Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something exciting to unbox. The Apple Watch Series 5 aluminium 44mm in space black with a sleek black sports band. Let's dive right in. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The Apple Watch Series 5 comes in this minimalist box, and as always, Apple's attention to detail is impressive. Reading the back of the box gives us a clue of what's to come when we open it up. Opening the box is as simple as sliding off the plastic and unclipping the cardboard tabs. The box then unfolds to reveal the contents, including a colourful array of Apple Watches with various bands attached. Inside the box, we find the Apple Watch, the magnetic charging cable with USB-A, the USB-A power brick, and finally, the black sports band. The 44mm aluminium case feels lightweight yet sturdy. The space black finish gives it a sophisticated modern look. And check out that timeless black sports band that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're working out or going out. One of the standout features is the always-on retina display. No more wrist twisting to check the time or notifications. It's clear, bright, and easy to read. The Series 5 packs health and fitness features galore, such as an ECG app. With the built-in ECG app, you can take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist. This feature can help you detect irregular heart rate rhythms, including atrial fibrillation, which is incredibly valuable for monitoring your heart health. Heart rate tracking, helping you keep track and keep an eye on your heart rate throughout the day. Emergency SOS and fall detection. The watch will automatically call emergency services for you if it detects a hard fall and you're unresponsive. It's peace of mind right there on your wrist. Workout tracking. Whether you're running, swimming, or doing yoga, it's got you covered. This model has GPS and cellular connectivity. Staying connected, you can make calls, send texts, and stream music without your phone nearby. Apps and notifications. You can stay connected with notifications for calls, messages, and apps right on your wrist. It's incredibly convenient to glance and respond to a text and emails, or even answer a call without having to reach for your phone. Customization. With interchangeable bands and customizable watch faces, you can make your Apple Watch uniquely yours, matching your style and personality. The Series 5 boasts an all-day battery life of up to 18 hours. Just charge it up and you're good to go. It's also water resistant. Take it for a swim. The Series 5 is water resistant up to 50 meters, perfect for pool laps or beach days. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Series 5 in space black aluminium with the black sports band is not just a timepiece, but a powerful companion for your everyday life. Whether you're into fitness, want to stay connected, or need health insights, this watch has it all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next video.